Down here today on Unity Beach, demonstrating this beautiful Victory Lakewood, okay? Comes as a whole package with site fees, decking, everything. It's 119,000, yeah? Fully sited on the new development or nice pitch of your choice, yeah? So come and have a look round. It's the quality of the decking's fantastic, guys. Look at the size of it. Big patio doors that open so you can sit on the deck and have a nice barbecue. Look how solid this is, Kev. Done a good job, haven't they? So if you want to come down, it's 42 foot, 2 bedroom, 14 foot wide, guys, okay? Victory Lakewood. Coming in. Coming in, guys. Look at it. How modern this is, Kev. I should have taken my shoes off. Look at it. Absolutely stunning, isn't it? What?
Nice feature wall.
This is quality.
LED lights.
Quality, guys. I actually love it. Look at the kitchen. I like the kitchen. The way it's laid out here, Kev. Yeah? This can go over a bit further. Yeah? It's got everything. It's got washing machine, Kev.
That's good.
It's like a second home from home, isn't it? It's absolutely perfect, like, isn't it? Do you know what I mean?
Definitely got everything a person wants in this.
It's lovely. And look at the decking. Let me open the doors for you. Hang on. Because this is the key. Look at this, mate. Swing it out onto the deck. Have a nose. Huge, isn't it? Coming in. Come and look at the bedroom, Kev. The bedroom's got a unique feature about it, yeah? Okay. It's lovely. Yeah? It's got loads of cupboard space, right? And behind you, you've got another shower and toilet. Yeah? Beautiful. Then this is a big cupboard there. Yeah? Big open windows here, look. Big open windows.
Got a wardrobe as well.
Extra wardrobe there. Nice unit, isn't it?
Very nice unit.
This is one of the nicest units we've got in stock at the minute, mate. Got another toilet and shower here, Kev. With the Velux. Okay, and then you've got 2 really big 2'6" beds in here. Look at that.
I think these are 3-foot beds.
Are they? They're big, aren't they?
Beds.
They're big, aren't they?
Yeah.
Gorgeous. So come and have a look, last look at the lounge, guys. Hello. So if you need any information, give us a call down at Unity Beach in Somerset, and we'd love to help you as much as we can. Any questions, stick them in the comments, and hey, thanks for watching.